Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a bit of a repressing. So I was asking you guys, should I do this? And you were like, hell to the yeah. So that's what we're gonna do. I imagine this video will be very short. Probably take me a while to edit, like to cut it down. Also, if the table is like looking manky, it seems to have gotten a bit destroyed in the move and I don't really know what it is. But I did get it I got it in IKEA, so I'm sure I can get another one eventually. So if you're interested in seeing that, then just keep watching. Okay guys, my camera is tilted almost at a complete 90-degree angle and I don't know if this is built to like deal with that, so fingers crossed it'll go okay. So I'm using, gosh, the camera's upside down. I'm using rubbing, like this is rubbing alcohol, but it's inside this bottle. I don't know where you get that in Ireland, like isopropyl is how you pronounce it, alcohol, but we got this, I think it was on Amazon for Porix, like work related stuff, and I just took some for me. So I'm using that. I'm using just like a depotting tool that I got on Amazon. I might link that down below if that would be helpful to you. It's, if you are getting it, it's just depotting tool is what you type in. And then this is my Makeup Revolution palette here. It's the bronzer palette and I am like trying to decide, you know, I'm going to be repressing it into this Physician Formula Butter Bronzer Place. Should I, that's my lipsticks that I'm panning, sorry. Should I do 2 or should I do 3? Like the thing about putting one in at a time that I like is making progress, like that I can and remove things from my inventory, whereas if I repress I have to wait for them all to be gone. But anyway, let's just see. This is the palest one. This is the next deepest one. I don't know if this lighting is okay. Still okay, I think. And then this is like the deepest of the 3. So that's that. I'm gonna just roll up my sleeves. Okay, so that's that there. You can see kind of the colors. This is warmer. This is like the most like palest one. I'm just gonna swatch them on top of each other and see what happens. See, what do we think here? My fingers are wiped. So this is the palest one down. Paley, paley, Steffi, pale. Right, that's pale as it gets. Then the next one, I'm very pink, aren't I? Oh. Oh, okay. Right. And then if I add this one in on top of it, I don't know, like, what do you think? Like, you can always, like, you're gonna apply it, like, more blended. Yeah, frick it, we'll go with all 3. The other thing I'm using is this bowl here, okay? It's the smallest bowl and we'll just, I'm no genius at this, I'm no good at it. And sorry, the final thing is I have some tissue. So I'm just gonna start scraping it into here and go from there. The camera's like upside down, so I don't know what I'm doing. Is this zoomed out? Oh, there, okay. Guys, I'm just wondering, I wish this was more interactive. Do you think I should put some of this in for like some shimmeriness? Maybe I like smushed it up and swatched it a bit and see. But anyway, I'm gonna put this down. I'm just wondering as well, can you use vodka for this? That's a question I'd like to know. And then the next thing I'm going to be doing is this medicine dropper I got from Amazon, and I'm just gonna drop some of the alcohol into here, okay? Now let me do a little swatch of this powder and see what the color looks like. So, okay, that's okay. So this is the color, that's okay, can you see? Like it is orange. It is on the orangey side. Let me zoom out a little. That's it there. And then let me just swatch that shimmery shade and see what it'll do. Can you see that? It's kind of, what about this other shimmer shade? I don't know. I'm thinking that maybe I should put a teeny bit of the shade in here. Just a smidge. I say, and I'll probably break the whole thing in. Yeah, I'm putting like a lot in. Oh well, I will still wear it. That is the dent that we've made in here. Here we go. I don't want there to be too much, but we'll see. I kind of want it to be a bit putty-ish, like pasty. This bit is like the make or break you bit. There's not enough in here at all. Less is certainly more, like in doing it gently, like doing it bit by bit, because it's harder to take it out than it is to put it in. I'll probably put too much in now that I said that. I'm just going to push down for a couple of seconds all the way around. A lot of people use things like, you know, that's the same shape as this, but I find that for some reason I must be like a machine, because I push things and then it's way too densely pressed. I don't know what I do, but so I just reverted back to using my hands because I pushed it in too hard. It'll still not be powdery for me normally. Normally things aren't powdery when I repress them. I'm just going in with some fresh tissue just to make sure, like it is quite wet. There's a lot of product in here. So there is my repressed child. Look at that little bit over there. It's like it's really wet. Sorry, it's really wet right now. I'm going to leave it out and then I'll probably put in a picture of what it looks like. Generally things are darker looking when they're wet. God, it feels like a putty right now. Just smoothing out the symbol of tissue paper. And I don't know if like it's hard to tell once it's wet, but there it is there. Swatch it again when it's dry, but that is it there. Anyway guys, I will insert a picture, like the camera's upside down so I don't know what the side is, but over here I'm assuming of what it looks like, if it looks any different. I don't see the point because I've already showed you a swatch. But anyway, that's what that looks like. So if you've enjoyed this, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.